scratching yet, right you.
That me I say, if
Right you.
Allah him tell go eat it if it stink.
My husband never even give me a itchings in her life. And I said, do make my pussy scratch me much as to get stick. So all my pussy for stink if him fuck so much and I give me no disease. Me a reason.
Yeah, reason.
I always praise him for that. If you not give me no chlamydia, no gonorrhea, no sexual disease, how the hell my pussy are rotten? That's when you fuck 100 other girl.
Exactly.
Them for them pussy smell good. You know, sister, the man I eat the man eat me. Talk about the eating. The eating at least are the problem. How do we mother come and say me a liar? Remember I know right you? I always come by internet come say to my mother. When me doing nothing, me not call my mother. Me don't know if nobody ever hear me say so. Anyone I'm right crazy them, of course them eat pum pum and I eat that. So pussy not good something for them. I must name my pussy shut the fuck up and stop chat shit.
Did I hear Jaden say eat the buff? He might eat the buff. Let the man eat the buff. That's his wife. You have to eat the buff. I'm telling you. Go ahead. Talk.
Him say mother rejoice if him drop dead. Me drop dead. If me sick him I go burn I can't go for my dead.
Wow.
For my drop and God I go answer.
I don't like that. That's not nice at all.
The man talk up some blood clot something.
Wow.
Right, you? I'm glad. I love Cutie for that. Out of everything. My sweet girl, she tape me see a dirty blood clot. No. She said she sell him out for me and them guys. Something with them talk. Me not listen to them. Yeah, me I walk with shit up pussy. My pussy shit up.
Give him the divorce paper, Queen.
Me tell him long time. My daughter first tell me say my husband hate me. I never want to accept it. Me tell him, me say my daughter tell me say you hate me. Eh? I all confused. Me no business. Momo can't want me. Momo can't blood clot want me. Who is Momo? Who the fuck is one who? You think me I press button? Me have to buck up my own blood clot to for my own buck up. Me a dad's. What is to be must blood clot? Be a wicked liar man. Me telling you say one wicked conniving man for. You hear him saying beat me.
So how
Him
much times
beat me. And him brother say I call police.
How much times him beat you? How much times him beat you, Queen?
Oh.
Do you?
Not beat me. Do can't beat me.
He never put you on you?
Yeah, man. That's not beating the brother.
Oh, okay. Because you want to fight.
Eh? We are fight and tussling. We not beating. Do we not beat me? Beat who? Right, you, let me tell you there's a difference. Dwayne is very ignorant and dark and very malicious within himself. Him tell himself lies and believe it. Now I'm have me up some go fuck at Jamaica. I'm sorry I never am head me fuck pan. Me should I take him head and go fuck pan the head? Cause guess what, right, you? You see, because him fuck so much and beat me, do you not beat up what? Me not talk about mash up face, that's alright. He mash up my face. That's a thump. You understand me? Me could have come here to come saying beat me. No. When me and do it, you have a meme on TikTok, you say IQ, when me say them grab me so. And me say murder! And the letter drop. You never hear that meme there yet, what me talk about? Yeah.
That was the time.
Me and him have no flicker toss up. Like when him grab me and him say crazy. Me I what to you? And me say my husband and him say shut up, him hold me and shake me up and me I scream. Do it beat who? You're not wait there, eh?
You're afraid?
What kind of yeah, me tell you say I lie the man I tell.
Oh, it's a lie. Oh, no, me get this.
Right, you do we paint this picture to Cutie like him my dad's a man or not? I lie, do we tell? Alright. Anything else what him want to say? Beat me and him brother call police. Man, me tell you something, man, him level brother live bad. Me not even want going to for them story. Him don't want me talk to the brother. The brother tell me something if I'm married to him. Them chat him, him mother chat him, him brother chat him, me not care. Me just love do it for Dowey, innit? So me take my chance, right? Because nobody's not perfect, you know, understand? Me can't took somebody say RQ a bomber clock. Me I go say RQ a bomber clock. Me have to take my chance
to see if I'm a bumbo clock.
I've been telling the people them say from 10 days after me take my husband, me fuck my husband the 8th of last clad September. And by the 18th of September, me know what Dowey and give. I've been telling people all of this.
So you knew what
I've been telling people all of this. I've been telling them, say, I do mother do this, and she come and she twist it back. Listen, two sides to the story, but you see the real, me too real to the deal. You understand what I'm saying, right, Q?
Yeah, I understand.
Dwayne cannot start the power with me, the power of the power. You hear my husband say, me carry around rich people. And I bring him in and set them up. What rich people me there on? What do we talk about? Right crazy sometimes rice squad I tear off my blood clot mouth and I told a couple can me get and see some blaps black. What kind of rich people? Right crazy? I mean somebody will sell my soul right Q.
No.
Me not mix up in a people and ink up on people for have them things I'm in a pre people. What does he mean? Me did I bring him in for go on people?
Right.
Wow.
But Queen, me have a question. After all them red flags, why you never leave?
Because I never had time to leave. Right, you're not in control then now. If me married to a man for better or for worse, I sign my signature to it, and worse come. What do you mean why I didn't leave?
I mean, sometimes when
No, you lot have to respect fucking marriage. And that's what I do a lot of people. Because I'm a vulgar, I'm loud, I'm disgraceful. I don't remember my vows and my loyalty. Now me's a loyal bumper wall. And right now, if somebody this the way and hate me so much, me still I gonna have some say. Cause that's me. Me put on my signature, not nobody's signature. Me never married for when problem come around. Me married for when problem come, we sort it. So all who tell me say me shoulda go, and you can't tell me shoulda, coulda, never blood clot, woulda. Right now. That's what's supposed to be and that's how it be. Me, alright, what you gonna tell me say? You think if me did left him last